Hey everyone, this is iOS Pro Hacker. If you're watching this video, your iPhone probably says iPhone unavailable, and you might be stressed or confused right now. Let me tell you something first. You did not break your iPhone. This is fixable and it is easy to fix. In this video, I will explain everything from the beginning, step by step, like I'm sitting next to you and helping you. Let's start with why this happened. Your iPhone is protected by a passcode. Every time the wrong passcode is entered, Apple adds a delay. After too many wrong attempts, Apple locks the iPhone completely to protect your personal data. When that happens, the iPhone shows iPhone unavailable, iPhone is disabled, or security lockout. At this stage, the iPhone will not accept any passcode attempts even if you remember it later. This part is extremely important, so please listen carefully. Apple does not allow unlocking an unavailable iPhone without erasing it. That means the iPhone must be reset, the passcode will be removed, but the data inside the phone can only come back if you have an iCloud or computer backup. If you do not have a backup, so forget about your data. Your data is not recoverable. Anyone promising to unlock it without erasing is lying. There is no exception to this rule. Now, let's start the tutorial. So we have two official methods to unlock iPhone unavailable. So let's start with the first method, which is the Apple's official method. Apple requires you to use a computer to fix it. What you need: a Windows PC or Mac, a USB cable, and an active internet connection. If you're using Windows, install iTunes. If you are on the Mac, use Finder. So right now I have Windows, so we need to download and install the iTunes on our Windows PC. If you have Mac, you don't need to install iTunes. You can do all these things on the Finder on the Mac. The next step is to put the iPhone into the recovery mode. Recovery mode is a special screen Apple uses for repairs depending on your iPhone model. If you have iPhone 8 or newer devices, it has different method. iPhone 7 has a different method. If you have iPhone 6s or older devices, it has the different methods. You can search on the YouTube that how to put iPhone 17 into the recovery mode, how to put iPhone 16 into the recovery mode, how to put iPhone 7 into the recovery mode. Depends on your model. So you have to put your iPhone into the recovery mode. Now, right now I have iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this method also works for iPhone 17 and all the devices which is newer than iPhone 8. The method is very simple. First, tap on the volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until it shows the computer screen. Keep holding the button while connecting the cable to the computer. You should see a cable and computer icon on the screen. Now on your computer, you'll see a message saying restore or update. Now click restore. This will going to download Apple software, so you have to wait for a long time because Apple will download about 10 GB of firmware file, the latest iOS version, and then it will start erasing the iPhone and remove the unavailable lock screen. So after it completes the restoration process, the iPhone will going to restart multiple times, so don't confuse. So do not worry about it. Just leave your iPhone as it is. Do not unplug your iPhone. Make sure also you have a good USB cable, otherwise the restoration process will stuck at some point or your iPhone will come back into the recovery mode. So make sure you use original or a good quality USB cable. Okay, now iPhone has restarted and restored, and you will see the hello screen. This means the unavailable lock is gone, and now we are setting the iPhone up again. Now let me tell you the struggle with iTunes. Many users get stuck here because recovery mode fails, iTunes shows errors, the steps are confusing. That's why many people look for a simpler option. Now I will show you an easier method that does the same thing automatically. The tool is called PassFab iPhone Unlock. This software detects your iPhone automatically, downloads the correct Apple's firmware, removes the unavailable screen for you. It still follows Apple rules, the device is erased, but the process is more simpler than iTunes. Now you have to click the link in the description of this video to download the software and install the software. It is available on Windows and Mac. Now open it on your computer. Choose unlock iOS screen passcode, or it also offers some different options you can try. It can unlock all types of screen passcode. Also can remove Apple ID or iCloud activation lock without password. But it is only compatible from iPhone 5s to iPhone 10, running iOS 12 to iOS 16, so it is not compatible with the latest version. If you want to unlock iCloud activation lock screen, it can also bypass screen time passcode without data loss, instantly bypass remote management from iPhone, iPad, and there are some more plenty of options. You can try. But right now, we need to go to unlock iOS screen passcode. Now connect your unavailable iPhone using a USB cable and click start. Now again, you have to put your iPhone into the recovery mode. You can follow the on-screen instructions on the software. It is very easy. If you have iPhone 8 or later devices, you can follow this method. If you have iPhone 7, you can follow this method. And if you have older devices, you can follow this method. If you have an iPad, so you can change it from here and follow the iPad's special method. I will going to press and hold the volume up button, volume down button, and the side button to put the iPhone into the recovery mode. So this method is also working on the latest iPhone 17 models. Now simply, it is very easy. Click start, then download firmware when asked. Now you have to wait a few minutes. Do not disconnect the cable because it will going to download the firmware file. It is more faster than iTunes. You can download the software for free from the official website. The link is also in the description of this video. Free download lets you check compatibility. Unlocking requires a license. I've placed the official link in the description and pinned the comment also. Okay, now iPhone has restarted and restored, and you will see the hello screen. This means the unavailable lock is gone, and now we are setting the iPhone up again. So first swipe up and choose your language and country, connect to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. This is required for activation. Now you'll be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. This is very important. You must enter the same Apple ID that was previously used on this iPhone. This is Apple's activation lock security. If you don't know this Apple ID, the iPhone cannot be activated. Now you will reach a screen called Apps and Data. This is where you decide how to recover your data if you have a backup. Now we have some different options. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup if you had iCloud Backup enabled before, if your iPhone was connected to the Wi-Fi in the past and signed in with your Apple ID. So choose this option and sign into your Apple ID, choose the latest backup and wait. Your photos, apps, messages and settings will slowly come back. The option 2 we have is choose Restore from Mac or PC if you previously backed up your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on the Mac. Connect the iPhone to the same computer and follow the instructions if you choose this option. If you do not have any backup, to be honest, if you do not have iCloud backup, if you do not have computer backup, in this case, you must choose set up as a new iPhone. This means old data cannot be recovered. This is Apple's rule. I want to be very clear and honest here. Neither Apple nor any unlocking software can recover data without a backup. If someone's claim they can, it's not real. Once setup is complete, your iPhone will work normal again. The only difference depends on whether you had a backup or not. Now, you know how to remove iPhone unavailable and exactly how to recover your data during setup. If this video helped you, please like it, share it, and comment the video. Subscribe for real iOS solutions. This is iOS Pro Hacker. See you in the next one.